With more lazy hairstyles. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm taking on the style that I just recently did, but guess what, I'm keeping the back. If you want more details on the back, definitely check out the video before this or my better length videos. But yeah, we about to just go straight into this. This video is going to be quick and simple because we already did the work. So let's see what I want to do. What do I want to do? Y'all know I'm a whore for buns. Do I want buns? Do I want buns? I think I want buns. I think I want buns, but I think I want to add a twist to it, like something. I'm thinking maybe like braid it into buns. Did I already do that? I don't think I did. I didn't. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna take my comb, and this is a slick already parted in the middle. I'm gonna just make it definite. Make a definite part. And the good thing about this style is we already covered up the tracks and everything is just good to go. This is really smart. Like really smart. I'm just so happy. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 twists in the front, button it up, if that makes sense. And if it doesn't make sense, I'm gonna make it make sense because we about to get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna take this. Okay, take that, button this. So I'm going to braid this. I know I said twist, but I want to braid it. Braid it real quick, 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 braid it real quick. I always gotta sing like a little song. It just gets the people going. Okay. So how am I gonna find me? First, you gotta find me. What's 50 grand to my like me? Can you please remind me? Ball so hard, this crazy. And y'all actually gonna watch me do it all the way through. So y'all are gonna see all the mishaps and everything. No cuts, no edits, no nothing. Because since half my hair is already done, it's not gonna take that long. So I'm gonna let you guys see everything. Okay, so I'm done with that braid. Now about to do this braid. About to do this braid, and then I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogtober so far because I have definitely been having a blast. Excuse the air conditioning. It makes a lot of noise when the door is open. So funny. Okay, so we're gonna braid this one. Y'all, it's literally like 2 o'clock in the morning. But I got a burst of energy. I just got a burst of energy. So I was just like, okay, just do your hair. Might as well. Cause y'all, I don't know why, but I'm super nocturnal now. I'm not a day person at the moment because working from home, of course, you know, kind of make content and do what you need to do at any time. So yeah, like I kind of don't do anything during the day, and it bothers me so much. It bothers me so much, y'all. But I'm gonna get back on schedule because I want to be a regular person. I want to be a normal person. That's a regular. I am a regular person. I want to be, actually, no, I'm not a regular person. I'm that girl. I'm that girl. You're that girl, we're that girl. So yeah, but I want to be normal, and yeah, so we gonna do that. But okay, so now, oh, this style about to be so easy, y'all. Okay, take my hair tie, button that up. Take my other hair tie. I actually can use a rubber band. I don't know why I use the hair tie. Oh, the other hair tie right there. Okay. Take my other hair tie. Well, take my rubber band. Switch it, okay? We're gonna do rubber bands instead, because I feel like the rubber band will get me what I need. Okay. Yeah, I'm starting to get hair. I might not even have to put the little hair on there. I'm going to. But it's not like I have to. It's not like it's it's a dire need, you know? Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your... Okay, and now we about to wrap. So I made sure I kept hair out because I knew I was gonna do some type of updo. I always do. So I kept 2 of these out, and we're about to get into... I messed up. I didn't keep the same 2 out. We gonna see. Okay, so wrap this. Okay, so wrap around, wrap around, wrap around, wrap around, wrap around, wrap around. Yeah, these clip-ins are literally a saving grace. Like, I'm just so in love with these clip-ins. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, this is not advertisement, of course, because it's not. Like, this is purely just off the strength of these clip-ins are bomb. So get you some natural textured clip-ins, because you will not be sorry. Like I'm really just like finessing. You can't tell me this not my hair. And even if you could tell me, I don't care. I don't care. It's my hair in my head. Okay, now how do I want to wrap this? I want to do it the way I usually do it. So I'm going to take this, make it a little turn up with my rubber band. Take this. Hold on, Case. Baby girl wants to get out. Bun that. And then bun it back over. I like that. I like that. Picasso. I'm gonna keep this out. Okay. Bun it back over. And then twist this around. And I'm about to do the same for this one. I'll be right back. Okay. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back. I'm gonna give you guys a couple more styles with this foundation. But yeah, see you later.